smaller cat. I told you before, for us, stormy night, when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two little kittens out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they lay down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. So they crept in and quiet as mine. All wet with snow and cold and time. For they found it was better that stormy night to lay down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. Meow, 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 meow. Thank you, smaller